Hey guys, it's Car Crazy Can's Garage. How's everyone doing? Well, here's a little update on the exhaust system I have put on my car. So, let's get to it. Here's a little muffler across the back, little performance muffler. It's on there, it's all on the hangers and everything. I didn't get exactly the hangers I wanted. I actually wanted different kind of hangers, but these actually worked out pretty good. So nice and flexible on there. Tailpipe on there, goes across the back. Still have to put some. I like using this stuff here. It's called muffler cement. Oh, maybe I should. Camera here. Stuff here. It's called muffler cement. And I like put it on the joints and stuff like that. Just makes it a little bit better. If you have any little pinholes in the exhaust, well, it shouldn't be, but sometimes there is. This stuff seals it up. So I always put on my exhaust systems, all the joints and stuff like that. So actually, I learned to use this stuff many years ago. I was getting the exhaust to one of my trucks put on, and I seen the guy put some of the stuff on there, and I thought, oh well, ask him why he did that, and he says same thing I just told you. Sometimes a little pinhole in there, and this helps seal everything up. So, and it's kind of a bit Mickey Mouse sort of, but it works. I've been using it for, I don't know, quite a few years, so it helps. So anyway, that's that there. Tips. So this one here, this pipe here, I'm not too sure. I'm not sure if the hanger's up a little bit higher or what the hell it is, but or something. But tailpipe's actually hanging a little bit lower than it should be. But yeah, anyways. But they're all the same height from here to here. It's 4 inches, like that one over there. So kind of like that. Looks pretty cool. So anyway, pretty interesting. Kick into the car and I'll show the muffler system a little bit more. So, I still have quite a bit of work to do on here, so yeah. Of course, dragging the shit out of here. Oh boy. So here's the muffler. So yeah, and this pipe's coming off there, coming in. Get a bit of a spaghetti system here with this tailpipe here. I'll show that here to you guys. So anyways, that's alright. I'm getting ready to put the stuff on here, and I might start her up today or tomorrow and see what it sounds like. Should be pretty interesting. So yeah, so there's that pipe there. Oh yeah. It's nothing terrible. It's nothing crazy. You know, it is what it is. So you got all the muffler cement on all the joints just to make sure it's tickety boo. So yeah, cool. Anyways, it turned out pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it, and we'll see how it goes once it's on the ground and all this and that, and hopefully it's good. Yeah, I was kind of concerned about the pipe might be a little bit low there, but it should be okay. Car's not going to be off-roaded or nothing like that, so it's going to be all street use anyway. Anyways, still have to undercoat the rest of the car. Anyway, post a little video on that. So next we'll be starting it up and give you guys a little sound clip. See what you guys think. So, hey guys, it's Car Crazy Cans. Well, I'm gonna start this baby up and see what you guys think. It might get kind of loud. We'll see. not that bad. It's actually pretty quiet actually. Let the fumes exhaust out. So yeah, it's actually not that noisy. Actually, that's pretty quiet, quieter than I thought it was going to be. So yeah, well, whatever. It is what it is. It's not a high performance machine, so it works. The exhaust fumes come out of there. So I think we're going to try to get this thing here running. Jumper cables on it and get it running. So yeah, I'm happy with it. Yeah, it's alright. It is what it is. So I need to get out of here. It's got a lot of exhaust fumes in here right now. So get out of here for a little bit, and I'll come right back. Alright, guys. Hey guys, Car Crazy Can's garage. Well, if you want, rate the sound clip on the car, see what you think. Like I said, this is not no high powered car. I think it's about 100. It's about 100 and maybe 100, 125 or 150 horse. This little motor. So, you know, it's not gonna produce a lot. Of course, if I had it straight off the exhaust, it was kind of loud. But yeah, it's quietened right up. So it's not bad. It's not gonna attract any kind of attention from the cops, which is unusual. I usually have had loud vehicles pretty much all my life, but I don't know. We'll see how it goes. Now, my '76 Ventura, my blue one, is a lot louder in this car, but mind you, it's a 350, so it's quite a big difference in cubic inches. So, anyways, yeah. So I'm gonna disconnect the battery on this thing. Get the battery out of my green truck, my little pickup truck. No, I need my gear. Ready. Yeah. So, anyways, the way it is. Next thing I gotta do on this car, the next thing I'm just gonna leave it up because right now it's on jack stands. And next thing I do is I want to get front rotors for it, and put all new bearings in the rotors and shocks for the front, and new brake pads and so forth for the front there. I got the hood line good now. Closes good, no problems. So yeah. So the plan is to get it on the road this year, but who knows? I actually still have to get the lights going too. Yeah. So, just gonna yeah. So, have to do the lights on it, tail lights. I have to buy the light bulbs. I'll probably do that next because it's the cheapest thing to do. Get all the lights going on it, and yeah. So, anyways, Not gonna be doing a whole lot more on it for now. Now it's coming to harvest now, and picking cherries pretty quick. So anyways, that's for that. Actually, the car actually matches my cherries right now. I don't know. Maybe I'll do a little clip of my cherry trees if you guys are interested. I don't know. Alrighty. Well, gotta get out of here. We got the tailpipe on there and got it running. That was my intention for this evening. And got the hood adjusted. So, alrighty. So, might be just a little bit different. Might be a little more brighter. I don't know. Yeah, it is what it is. Looks. If you're looking at it like this, of course the camera doesn't do any justice, but if you're looking at it the way I'm looking at it right now, it looks pretty close, but it might be a little bit light, but can't do much about it. Tis what it is. So, tis what it is, man. So. Yep. So put the windshield wipers on it next. I still have to do a little bit of touch up right here. Gonna finish fixing up that there. So yeah. Still have to get weather stripping for the doors. Finish off the back interior or put it in there. And yeah, lots to do on it. So lots and lots to do on it yet. I was maybe gonna get it on the road this year, but we'll see. So, anyways, stay tuned for more updates. I think probably next thing we'll do, we're going to concentrate on lights here next. It's the most affordable thing to do now is do the lights, get that all the lights working and everything. Tail lights, headlights, everything working on that. See if there's any kind of hiccups on that. So. Scratch on there. Shit. Buff it out. That's the problem with this kind of stuff. Anyways, dusty and dirty. Alright guys, thanks for watching my video. Remember to rate my sound clip. If you like the way it sounds, give a thumbs up. If you don't, well, you know what to do. It's not loud. It's not very loud at all. It's not a performance car. So anyway. What else? Oh, gotta have tunes. So anyway, little MP3 player. So, alrighty, McFlighty. Well, actually, you need to get the front bumper on too. So, it's still kind of exhaust fuming in here to get out of here. Hey guys, it's Car Crazy Cans, huh? My little cherry block. Be picking cherries tomorrow. Sometime. Probably not quite yet. Well, I picked a little bit, but I think we'll be picking probably towards the weekend, I guess now. So it goes. So, a little bit on the red side yet. I'd like to wait till they're almost black, right? Some of you guys don't know that, but you will. So, this little cherry block I have, I don't like picking cherries. I actually hate it. I live right next to the highway, so mosquitoes. So, anyways, got lapins in here, and I got Vans. There's anything but cherries. That's how they usually are. They're nice big clumps like that. So. Yep. So, when you guys are ever in the Okanagan part of British Columbia, pick some cherries. Do you some good. So, yeah. Alrighty guys. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.